Today I'm going to make the steamed chicken with Chinese sausage. I have about 12 ounces of chicken tenderloin, and you cut into a slice. And also I have 2 Chinese sausage, and you cut the small pieces. And 2 slices of ginger, and 5 black dry mushroom. You have to soak it in the water until they get soft. Then you cut into the pieces like that. So this is dry, this is not ready to using it, okay? So you put it in the water and get soft and cut it like that. And also, I have, for the seasoning, I have 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and ½ teaspoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So I'm going to put all the seasoning in it. White pepper and the oyster sauce. And I put the last one, cornstarch, in it. Then I put the mushroom in it, and the ginger, and just the green onion in it. Then you mix. Okay, and after that, then I'm gonna put all the sausage in it. Okay, then we steam it for over high heat for 10 minutes. And we cover it and steam for 10 minutes. Okay, this is already 10 minutes. It's already done. So I'm gonna turn off the heat first, then I remove it. And I put some green onion on top of it. Okay, that's what I done today, the steamed chicken with sausage.